Welcome to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo, and today's video we're going to be learning a very easy song called All of a Sudden by Elevation Worship. This song will be played in the key of C sharp, which is original key. We'll be playing with our capo on the 1st fret. We're going to be playing C shapes. It's a very easy song, so it's a pretty short tutorial. We start off with the verse. It goes, I breathe you in, I breathe you in. Come fill me, Holy Spirit, with your mighty rushing wind. I breathe you in, I breathe you in. You come all of a sudden, I'm strong again. So that's your verse 1. It's going to be just your regular C chord. If you don't have a capo, you could probably play without the capo. Be half a step shorter, half a step lower. We're just doing it with the capo, so it could be an original key. So very simple, down strumming C chord, right? And then you're gonna play F over C. It's kind of like an F chord. So rather than having your middle finger down, you're just gonna lift it up, giving that open F chord, right? And then it just switches back from C to F, C, F, right? So after we play the verse, we're gonna go into the chorus. Oh, breathe on me, oh breath of God, flood me with your living water. Rush through me now till my soul overflows. Oh, breathe on me, oh breath of God, flood me with your living water. Rush through me now till my soul overflows. So that's your chorus, right? Same thing, starts with a C. And then you're going to go into your D minor 7. Kind of like your D minor, regular, except you're doing these two right here. And your middle finger will be on that 3rd string right there, right? That's your D minor 7. So once you go from your C, breathe on me, O breath of God, flood me with your living water. So on water, you're going to do your E minor. Rush through me now till my soul. It's going to be on your F, overflows. And it just repeats those chords. So for your strumming pattern, it's going to be breathe on me, O breath of God, flood me with your living water. Rush through me now till my soul overflows. Breathe on me, O breath of God. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down. So that's going to be your strumming pattern for the chorus. After your chorus, you're going to go back to verse 2, but we already did the verse. It's pretty much the same thing as the beginning, verse 1. After you do verse 1, you go to chorus, and then you go back to verse 2, and then you go chorus 4 times, and then you're going to do an instrumental. So it's going to go into the bridge, right? So the bridge is going to go, it's going to come all of a sudden. 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 I feel it coming all of a sudden. It's going to come all of a sudden. So on this part, they do it like about maybe 4 times. It is pretty long. So it's up to you or your team or whoever's leading the song. You could cut that part short potentially, but then after they sing that a few times, they go into the bridge. The bridge is gonna go. You won't see wind and you won't see rain, but the drought will end. Everything can change all of a sudden. It's pretty much the same chords. Just the only difference between this is going to be that since it is a bridge, you're going to be building on that strumming, right? So you won't see wind, you won't see rain, the drought will end, everything can change all of a sudden. I feel it coming all of a sudden. He will call, will you call his name? Holy One will renew your strength all of a sudden. I feel him coming all of a sudden. And then obviously they go back to the other part of the bridge. He's gonna come all of a sudden. So on that part, when they switch back to the other part of the bridge, you're gonna be playing he's gonna come all of a sudden. It's gonna come all of a sudden. It's gonna come all of a sudden. It's gonna come all of a sudden. I feel it coming all of a sudden. It's gonna come all of a sudden. All of a sudden, I feel it coming. So they do change the chords a bit there. Pretty much the same thing, except instead of going to that D minor 7 that we usually would go to, you would go into the A minor 7, which is your regular A minor. Just lift up the ring finger. It's gonna come all of a sudden. It's gonna come all of a sudden. A minor 7. It's gonna come all of a sudden. It's gonna come all over to the F. And then it just repeats that bridge probably like twice. After you're about there, they will go ahead and cycle, do an interlude, and then you'll go back into the verse. After the verse, you'll end up going into the outro. So yeah, that's pretty much the song. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful. Please leave a like, please leave a comment, subscribe if you like this type of content, and I will see you guys on the next one.